Okay, welcome back to a new episode of Bass.Life.Fishing, and today we're going to be fishing at this river, and I'll be down there. On a weightless worm. It's a nice smallmouth. Alright. Now we're gonna go for the release. Alright guys, I'm getting some bites right now. Small bluegill, but that's the second fish of the day. Okay, I'm getting some more bites right now. Oh. And that's another smallmouth. Alright guys, so if you were wondering what I was using the Go Helgermite with the Texas rig, the 1/0 Gumgatsu, and a 316 tungsten. There's the back. He just came out right from the rocks and grabbed it. Another largemouth.
Isn't just me, do you feel it? I can feel it in the air. Isn't just me, isn't just me.
Do you feel the buzz or is it just me? Trust me, something in the air, it's just above.
Alright guys, so right now we're switching spots right now. We're gonna go up the river. Alright guys, we just arrived at the second spot. A little dried up. I came here before about like a couple months ago and it was filled up with water. Now it's all get back to you if I get something. Alright guys, for today fishing is done. Caught 3 nice bass, and see you next time.
Bye.